Hello, and welcome to Engineering Technologies and Design. I'm Susie, and my home school is Highland. I'm a senior here at the Medina County Career Center. This program is really great if you know that you really like being hands-on, building things, and even designing them, and you know that you have an interest in engineering, but you're not really quite sure which kind of engineering you want to go into. This program will really help you figure that out. For instance, by taking this program, I have learned that I really want to go into mechanical engineering. I also love coming here because I get all the same academics that I do at my home school. For instance, this year I'm in AP Calculus, CCP English. Another reason why I came here was because I still get to be involved in my home school. So for instance, I'm really heavily involved in robotics, marching band, pit orchestra, and I do NHS in addition to all the other activities that I get to do here, like NTHS. Another fun way that we get to learn about engineering here is we like to have little competitions between our class. We do instant challenges, which is when we are given a set amount of materials and we have to use what we're given to build a solution. So here we were given a piece of paper, some dowel rods, and a hub to create a wind turbine. And we compare what each group creates to see who can create the most efficient turbine. And whoever can accomplish that wins, and you get a little bit of bragging rights, and you have a lot of fun, and it's a really great way to learn. So I'm gonna pass you off to Trevor, who's gonna tell you a little bit more about our lab.
Hi, I'm Trevor. I am a senior from Brunswick High School. My day looks a little bit different than some of the students in this class, as I'm a half-day student. So I start my morning at Brunswick High School in AP Calculus and AP Physics. Then I have about an hour lunch, and then I come over here for our 2-hour lab. Some activities that I'm involved in here at the Career Center is the Skills Robotics program, and then at my home school I'm involved in NHS, track. Next I'm going to show you our KUKA robot. We learn how to code and manipulate the robot to do different tasks like drawing a picture, picking up objects, doing different tasks with it. We do a couple different tasks and then we can earn a certification in this robot. Next I'm going to bring you into our prototype lab where we take our computer software designs and actually bring them to life. Over here we have our resin 3D printer. With this printer we could take our program and make very intricately detailed designs and print them out. Over here we have our CNC mill. We learn how to write the code and code the machine to cut out big mass products in balsa wood or do like intricate designs. Next I'm going to show you our laser engraver. We take our designs on the computer and we can program the laser engraver to cut different things out in acrylic and engrave it. Next I'm going to show you our 3D printers. We can actually take the software that we have in here and make models and cool designs, and we can print them out like these big trains right here or little intricate designs like those planes over there, which is pretty cool. Next I'm going to pass you off to Dylan to talk about the back lab.
Hey, my name is Dylan. My home school is Buckeye. I've stayed involved by playing soccer for the last 4 years at Buckeye. Also at the Career Center, I'm a Skills USA Ohio State officer, and Skills USA is our organization for competitions and leadership abilities. So I'm a half-day student. I do online college classes. I'm in college algebra, college economics, and college speech. So now I'm going to show you our back lab. So the back lab is where we do all of our hands-on work when we're away from the computer. So first off, we have our VEX robotics. So we learn how to build them and code them. We can code them to controllers, or we can code them to go a certain distance and turn at different times. And we can get them to do different tasks. Then next, we have our bridge project. So this is a senior project. So we start in the computer lab and we do a bridge point builder, which is kind of just like a design to see if it works or if it will be sturdy. And then we actually come out and we build it with balsa wood, and we test it in our prototype lab with our structural test analyzer. And then next, we have our manufacturing project. This is a junior project that we do after the VEX robotics, and we take what we learned in building and coding from there, and we use it to make a manufacturing line to transport an item or different things. Then next, we have our F1 track. So this is the project that we do at the end of junior year because it encompasses everything we learn. So it takes CAD, CAM, and CNC to take a balsa wood block and turn it into an F1 car, that we then shoot down this track and race them in our class in a competition, which we're going to see right now. It's a lot of fun. So that's our back lab at F1 track. Now we're going to see our computer lab with Julia.
Hello, I'm Julia. I'm from Medina, and I'm going to take you into our computer lab. So this is where you spend most of your time. We're fortunate enough to have an upstairs and downstairs computer lab. So I'm going to take you guys back here and show you some of the software that we use. So you can see that a lot of students spend their time working on projects. We use softwares like Revit, AutoCAD, and Inventor, and you get certified in all three and get major industry engineering experience that you can use in the real world. At my home school, I do cross country. So even though I spend a lot of time here, I get to end my day going back to my home school and spending time with some of my old classmates. And if you guys follow me, I'm gonna hand you guys back off to Trevor.
After taking this program, I learned about the different types of engineering and it allowed me to narrow down my career path. So I want to continue my mechanical engineering degree at the University of Toledo. Thank you for visiting the Engineering Technologies and Design Lab. Hope to see you next year.